Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I had something in mind I was gonna make, but then Shovelhead 8 made pork chops, and I was just like, oh my god, those look so good. So we're making pork chops with oven roasted carrots, and my mix a scratch cream of mushroom soup. Excuse me. To go over the chops because I just love doing that. Alright, so here are my pork chops. Got a 4-pack. No, it's only a 3-pack. Damn it. I guess tomorrow's dinner will only have 1 pork chop. Why do that? Damn, that's annoying. So, put a little seasoning on these guys. And then the other side. There we go. Alright, get my mushrooms going. Alright, my bacon is cooking. Get my mushrooms in. Go ahead and season them. This is all the seasonings I typically use. Slap your mama, garlic, a little bit of a paprika. What else is in there? Just the usual ingredients I use. Thought I'd try it this way and just throw them all in a container instead of doing them all separately. I got some fresh garlic too. Alright, do this the same way as I do everything else. With, well, I mean for roux anyway. Throw in some flour. Stir it to a roux. And pour in a bunch of milk. Alright. Bacon's looking good. Now I did cook off more than I needed to because I've got something planned for tomorrow. That's going to require bacon. So get all that delicious bacon out. And fill in my pork chop. And those pork chops are looking good. Looking real good. Great idea, Sean. The little black specks you see is pepper. So it's pepper bacon. Hey, good news. Pork chops are done. I'm gonna grab this big guy right here and push you back. Kill the burner. And then this, oh, guess you can't really see that, can you? This soup that I made. I purposely made it nice and thick so it would sit on my chop. And because a lot of you know I don't like bacon, or I don't like onions, so instead of green onion I'm using bacon bits. Hell yeah. Let's get those carrots out of the oven. Carrot. Oh yeah. Now if you're wondering if I made another side, and I didn't actually, because I'm a commenter in my health update video suggested a carnivore diet. So I've been, this whole last week, I've been, I actually reduced one of my, I actually don't eat breakfast anymore. I just eat lunch and dinner. I've been trying to cut back on carbs. So there we go. We got pork, oven roasted carrots, and that tomato you saw me chop up. I'm just going to eat it just like that. Heck yeah. Now I know I've done pork chops before, but they just look too damn good to not, I guess I'm a little close, to not make. They look phenomenal. I'll try the carrots out real quick. Mmm. I still got like a little bit of crunch to them, just the way I like it. Hell yeah. Piece of that pork. Seasoned pork chop. Oh man. That's money. Oh man. Oh yeah. Alright. I'll tell you what. Freaking fantastic. So good. Great flavors. The bacon mixed with the soup and the chop. Carrots came out real good. I almost wish I had made more now. So, I have more in the refrigerator, but that should probably be enough. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check below for the links for Catch on Wednesday. On the end card will have, which might be up now, last week's video. Plus a playlist for, Catch on Wednesday. So, thank you for watching again. We'll catch you in the next one.